how to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp account in 2024. So guys, that's quite simple and interesting. If you're wanting to take a break from WhatsApp, if you're receiving annoying messages on WhatsApp and you want to take a break, or you have some other issues, you can do two things. So guys, basically there is no direct option on WhatsApp to deactivate your account, but you can do a couple of things. But before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have liked the video and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. So guys, basically you can do two things. The first one is to tap and hold WhatsApp and then remove this app from your home screen. Basically it will be removed from your home screen and will be available only on the app library. You will be able to search for it. It will not delete your account on WhatsApp. It will temporarily disable all the notification of calls, messages, and all the other notifications related to WhatsApp. So you'll be able to take a break from WhatsApp. So the second thing you can do is to head over to the settings, scroll down, and find WhatsApp. Once you've found it, tap on it, and you can do two things. You can turn off notifications, all the notifications from WhatsApp, and now you will not be able to receive any calls, any messages until you open the WhatsApp application. So guys, these were the two ways you can follow or adapt to take a break from WhatsApp and to temporarily delete or deactivate your WhatsApp account. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button.